In this video, we will demonstrate the process of concealing reposts on TikTok. Let us begin. Launch the TikTok application on your mobile device. Subsequently, navigate to your profile by selecting the profile icon situated at the bottom right corner of the screen. Proceed by tapping the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of the screen. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. On the subsequent page, select the Privacy option. Within this section, you will locate the Private Account toggle. Activate this toggle. By enabling a private account, only users whom you explicitly approve will be able to follow you and view your posts. It is important to note that your existing followers will not be affected by this change. With this knowledge, you are now equipped to effectively conceal reposts on TikTok.